Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G on the left, and on the right I got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. And today I'll show you the comparison with the fingerprint sensor that you can find on both smartphones on the right edge. It's right here and right here. So let's start the test. To the Zenfone I link this finger. As you can see, it works, and I have to rotate this HTC like that to get it in the better position. So just take a look. Here I got linked this finger. So when I put it here, it unlocked the phone. So let's start the test. Okay, let's look this one, and let's see which one unlock phone is faster. I mean, which one is better. Okay, there we got the point for the Zenfone. Another time, Zenfone 7 Pro. Yeah, still Zenfone. So I think that we can say that definitely Zenfone is faster than HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G. Yeah, definitely Zenfone is on the first place in this race. And I can tell you something interesting, that yesterday I made the same test but with Poco X3 Pro and the Zenfone 7 Pro, and the Poco win. So it's not good for HTC that much cheaper device is faster with this fingerprint button. Here I didn't put the fingerprint, but as you can see, every time ASUS win. So that's all. Tell me in the comment what you think about this comparison, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.